I really like dog style
Dog style. Why?
because I think it feels sexy everyone if you doing that kind of position.
How about the missionary? Not sexy? Hi everyone, it's me again, Filipina Unique, and for today's video, guys, I'm gonna interview my cousin, this beautiful lady beside me.
Sana all.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, and before we start, I want to say thank you so much for always supporting to my YouTube channel, and hope you enjoy this video. And this video, guys, is entertainment purposes only, and hope you
Yes.
enjoy this video, everyone. And without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah, because it's raining.
No, it's raining.
It's raining, guys. It's needed to starting the
Okay.
interview.
Okay, so what is your name?
So, for those people not to know me yet, guys, I'm Karen, so cousin of Filipina Unique.
Yeah.
And then my YouTube channel name is Filipina Simple Life. So, this is my place, guys, right now. Yeah. So, you can do subscribe if you want.
Yeah, you can do subscribe, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to her channel, she is doing a live stream as well every day.
Yeah.
You can check out, guys.
Check out to all videos and live stream.
Okay, are you ready to this questions? This question, guys, is spicy questions.
Yeah, spicy, like Shelly.
Green shell.
Green Shelly.
Okay.
Same to my my outfit.
Okay, what age you want to get married?
I think 26. That's my preferred age to become a married. But if their guy ready to marry to me, so I'll be accept. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
So for you, it's 26 years
Yeah,
old.
26.
Okay. So how many babies you want?
Ah, baby.
Yeah. if you get married,
I want 2 to 3.
2 to 3.
2 to 3. But if my partner want to more than 3, so yeah, why not?
Why not?
More.
As long as your husband can provide
yeah,
your daily needs.
yeah, daily needs, financially. Yes.
Okay, so would you pick 10 years older but poor, or 5 years younger but rich?
For me, guys, if you choose by wisely or you have a mindset, especially
Mindset.
right now, guys, of the generation, very that expensive, all the needed. So for me, I think I choose a younger, and then he is rich, guys. So compare the older but not money, yeah, like that. So yeah, I will choose the younger but gonna have a money a lot,
Yeah.
because money is important, guys.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
I'm going to
everything, money is important.
Yeah, money is very
Yeah.
important, guys. You know, basta important. 100%.
100%.
Yeah, okay, so what is your biggest turn off and turn on in your partner?
My biggest turn off of my partner, I think my partner speaking to me a bad words. And then turn on is caring, gentleman, and what's that? Loving person like that. Yeah, only for that for me.
Okay.
How about you?
Turn off, I think if my partner cheating,
Yeah, cheating too.
not honest,
Yeah, not
and
honest.
my turn on is genuine.
Yeah,
if my
genuine,
partner
yes,
is
gentleman.
genuine.
Yeah, that's a very
And
important.
understanding,
Yes, understanding.
of course,
Have a long, big patient, not
and willing to wait.
not in a out other ano eh, down, like only have a big, not the patient. Patient ala nabuang lang sa English day.
Okay. Okay, so this is a spicy question,
Yeah,
guys.
spicy, guys.
Entertainment purposes only.
Yeah.
Okay, does the girl make the move first?
About that, yes. Yeah, there's some Filipina or girl move first for the guy, especially the guy is very quiet.
Or
Quiet
kanang
guy.
shy type guy?
Oh, shining. Shining.
Shiny.
Is that shining?
Shy
Yeah,
type?
shy type ganang guy. Yeah. First move,
First move,
guys. That's the best.
Okay, so kuan, you're going to kind of move first if
But
you
me,
have...
guys, no. I never try everyone to first move kuan, guys, the guy. Because we are a kuan, we are a chicks, joke ra.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, not kuan man na...
Iyo,
Huh?
have you tried to first move?
Kuan, I did not try pa man.
Oh, you did not try.
Yeah, I
same
did not
to
try.
you.
Maybe I'm going to try soon.
First move. Oh
First
my God.
move. I'm going to move. Yeah, move. Okay. Okay, so next question is, which position do you like the best?
God.
Missionary or dog style?
So what kind of position that? That's position in work. I think no position that in work, everyone. Me, I think guys, yes, this is joke guys ha.
Mm.
For kanang guys, answering the question,
Yeah.
everyone or opinion or choosing guys, choose. Yeah. I really like dog style
Dog style. Why?
because I think it feels sexy everyone if you doing that that kind of position.
How about the missionary? Not sexy? I think what's sexy?
No! Guys, how about missionary daw guys? It's sexy ba guys?
Mm.
I don't know.
Comment
Maybe
down below. Okay.
I think what's that? Macho sana?
Huh? Missionary?
Missionary is I think that you and your partner is
Fish?
face each other. That's that ba na missionary?
Mm.
Yeah, that's I think that's the kuan ka ng normally position
Mm.
during having making love.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's feel kuan guys. You feel each other, your love, your see the eyes of your partner if about the kuan that kind of position like missionary.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you choose dog style. Okay,
Yeah, I
doggy
think
style.
yeah, doggy style. I don't know, guys.
What is the position of doggy
I
style?
don't know because I never
Example.
tried. No, that's bad.
Joke lang guys.
You can ask the subscriber,
Mm,
the
yeah.
viewers.
Okay, so how often does Filipina want boom boom? Every day, 7 times a day. So man,
Kuan. I think one day is 3 times.
wala 3 times.
Ano?
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Snack guys.
Snacks 4
Snack,
times.
Yeah, 4 times a day.
You know?
And then continue tomorrow.
Tomorrow again.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
What's kind of that guys? I think spell kung ano guys, lazy person na guys. Like you're always lying in the bed na lang.
So do you think you can handle the 4 times a day?
No, I can't handle that. I think in 1 week only 2
2?
2
Two?
yeah, only 2 only. Not kon I think that but people say that about of kanang what's a making love is a lot of benefits.
Mm.
But for me guys, I
Who
don't
said?
like it. Oh,
According to your research?
yeah, research. Research, the environment.
Ah.
But for me guys, I can't con that guys. I handle it everyone every day to doing that. Yeah, no.
No.
I think in 1 week only two times.
Mm.
Yeah.
2 times.
If I have if my partner is kuan that. Oh, what guy to me?
You're so very sexy. So,
Oh, sabi na ako
let's
nito.
do kuan 7 times a day.
How about you like are
Kuan
you agree for 27 a day?
7 times a day. I think I cannot
24/7.
survive, guys.
24/7.
Every minute, every hour. Okay, okay ka nang. After the 1 hour, okay, let's relax. And after the 1 hour again, let's continue again.
Hala. It's not kuan oy pa. It's not kuan good.
It's not good. Yeah, I think it's good.
No,
Ay,
because
joke lang.
maybe the eggplant is getting tired.
I like that eggplant.
Eggplant like vegetable.
Mm.
Yeah, vegetable. You know that what's eggplant is? That's a vegetable.
Yeah, eggplant is. Do you like to eat eggplant?
For me, I don't like it eggplants. Yeah,
Why?
I don't like
That's
because,
aka nang healthy.
eggplants. It's kuan man guys for me kind of
Are you
allergic.
allergic?
Yeah, if I eat that, my my mouth I feel itchy, so that's why I don't like it eggplants.
Okay. Okay, so next question is, are you in charge during boom boom, or is the man, or both? Are you in charge?
Mostly guys is boy
Boy.
guys, because girls is not easy to what's that about of kuan guys like what's that I can feel charging like what's that the girl ba
Feeling
it's,
hot? Isa ba?
yeah, the girl it's not easy man guys to wait hit her part. Yeah,
Mm.
like that, but boys it's if you touch only
What?
so the you know the private things or something things that is already stronger.
Mm.
So mostly boy.
Yeah,
boy
mostly
guys.
boy.
Yeah.
For you boy.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so next is sweetie and passionate. Sweetie, sweet and passionate.
Oh, dayon.
Quick and simple.
Yeah.
Love making, or rose sex. Rose sex.
I think kuan sweet and passionate.
Sweet and passionate.
Yeah.
How about the kuan? Love making or rose sex?
Musa na siya kanang maghimo.
Ganang kuan ba kanang mga sex.
Ay kanang mga
kanang
hapoy.
kanang
Rush kayo
Oh.
kanang daghan kayo a lot of kind of position like
Mm.
looks like what's that the movie 360 days.
Mo ba?
Yes, a lot of kuan there kanang rush kanang position there.
Mm.
But I think for me I choose sweet and passionate because
Okay.
it feels, you know, you feel the love your partner like that. Yeah.
Okay, so next question is, do you like to boom with the lights off or on?
Off guys because electricity kuan expensive. So
Electricity is very
needed to
expensive.
kuan guys kanang off.
So for you, it's off.
Yeah, off. To feel your kuan kanang feelings.
Yeah, me too. I'm going to choose off, guys, because I'm trying to see my partner.
Yeah, very
Joke
shy
lang.
guys. So if you look to your partner guys and you feel like and the
Oh my
eyes
God.
is close guys in front of you.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
And then you too, you close your eyes too. Oh my god.
So for you, it's turn off.
Turn off.
Turn off the light
Yeah.
and close the door. Okay, so next is, what's your perfect first date?
I never try guys about a perfect date like kuan kanang what's that elegant?
Mm?
No, never. I only try that meet and then to know each other, asking for kind of about your family, your name, your like that, yeah. But about dating guys like elegant dating, no, I never try that.
Okay. Me
Only
too.
a simple meet, only meet the guy and then sitting in the bench ba na?
No.
Yeah, and
A
then
bench.
talking for the each other, yeah, only for that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So kuan, simple only.
Yeah, only
You
simple.
tried simple only.
Yeah, simple only.
Okay, so next, last question for you is, would you kiss or boom in first date?
Kiss. No, kiss
In
first.
first date?
Yeah, kiss.
Or
Oh.
boom in first date?
No, it's not good. Uy, you are you first date that the guy and then you got a boom boom. No, it's better kiss first. Your kanang first meet. Yeah, because kuno man you're not yet to know that guy. So kiss.
So, but I heard a lot of kuan kaning like, I've heard a lot from environment,
Yes.
boom
Boom boom.
on the first date.
Yes, a lot from now on the new generation.
New generation.
Yeah, so that's why a lot of young Filipina have already children or pregnant. Yeah, pregnant at the age like underage like
Yeah.
that. So yeah, it's not good. Uy, first meet and then you got bomb. No. It's not
No, it's
I think
no
I
for
choose-
Karen.
good. I choose kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss in the forehead.
Oh.
Or yeah, like that. The only for or here in my what that
Cheeks.
cheek.
Cheeks.
Yeah,
cheeks.
cheek. Only for that, guys.
Okay, I think that's all, guys, because it's raining here,
Raining.
guys, in
Yeah.
Karen's place. So if you are new here, guys, to my YouTube channel, you can do subscribe to my cousin,
Yeah, Filipina
Simple
Simple
Life. And hope you enjoy this video, everyone. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel too. Bye bye, everyone, and I
Bye-bye.
love you all.